Have you ever wondered how a message travels across the world in just a few seconds? Or how you can watch videos, play games, and talk to someone thousands of kilometers away almost instantly? It almost feels like magic. But it's actually something called the Internet. Today, let's discover how the Internet connects the whole world, one tiny piece at a time. Welcome to Simply Wonder.
Simply Wonder.
You're sitting on the couch, you tap your screen, and an image of your dog appears on your friend's phone halfway across the world. It feels like magic, as if our data simply floats through the air on invisible breezes to a cloud in the sky. In reality, the Internet is a massive physical machine made of glass, copper, and plastic, essentially the world's most complex and high-speed postal service. And just like the real mail, there are weight limits. A single high-quality photo is too large to be shoved through this digital mail system all at once. To solve this, your phone takes that photo and chops it up into thousands of tiny uniform puzzle pieces called packets. Each one of these packets gets a digital stamp called an IP address, which acts like the physical street address of your friend's device. Before a single pixel leaves your hand, this invisible prep work ensures that thousands of tiny digital envelopes know exactly where they are going. Those tiny envelopes travel through the air of your living room as radio waves until they hit that blinking box sitting in the corner. Inside that box is a component called a switch. You can picture the switch as an internal office mailroom. It helps all the devices inside your house talk to each other. But the switch only knows the floor plan of your house. It has no way to get a message to another city. That's where the router comes in. The router reads the IP address on your packets and acts as the front door to the outside world. The router is the essential doorway that connects your personal devices to the rest of the planet. Once out the door, your packets travel through physical wires inside your walls that belong to your Internet Service Provider, or ISP. Your local ISP acts like a fleet of neighborhood delivery trucks, collecting digital envelopes and carrying them to a central city hub. From there, the data is handed off to massive regional and global ISPs, which are responsible for carrying information between different countries. When that data needs to cross an ocean, it travels through literal fiber optic cables resting quietly on the dark seafloor. These submerged cables span thousands of miles, carrying millions of packets as rapid pulses of light from one continent to another. It's a strange irony that the wireless Internet depends entirely on millions of miles of physical glass and copper tethering our continents together. When your packets emerge from the ocean on the other side of the world, they hit a chaotic intersection of networks. There are millions of possible paths to the final destination, but some routes are clogged with heavy digital traffic or broken lines. To manage the flow, massive core routers act as traffic cops at every intersection. These routers use dynamic roles to instantly calculate the fastest open route, firing different packets down clear paths to avoid congestion. This pathfinding calculation happens in milliseconds at dozens of stops along the journey. The Internet is engineered to survive broken cables or heavy traffic by constantly adapting, ensuring your message finds its way through the physical maze. Finally, the packets arrive at your friend's local ISP and shoot down the neighborhood cables toward their house. They hit the home router, it verifies the IP address, and accepts the digital delivery into your local home network. The phone then uses the digital instructions enclosed in the packets to snap all the scrambled puzzle pieces back into their original order. The photo appears with a cheerful notification, a magical arrival that looks completely instantaneous, despite the incredible globe-spanning physical journey. This is the Internet. It is literally a network of networks, billions of local setups wired together and handing digital packages to each other. Hitting send launches your digital packages across the planet in the blink of an eye, powered by the cooperation of millions of physical machines.
Simply Wonder.